Chapter number 15. Man ahead of their time. In the field of science, the Indian scientists have made an important contribution. India was one of the pioneering countries working in the field of science and mathematics in the ancient times. Our astronomers had worked out the length of days and nights. They could also calculate the exact time and date of the solar and lunar eclipses. Aryabhat was a great mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. He made the great discovery that the earth moves around the sun. He also wrote many books on astronomy and they tell us everything about his discoveries. India's first satellite, launched in 1975, was named after Aryabhat to honor this scientist. Bhaskar and Varahmira were the other well-known scientists of ancient India in different branches of science. Let us now learn about the scientists of modern India. Dr. C.V. Raman, Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was born at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu in 1888. He was one of the greatest Indian scientists of modern India. Dr. C.V. Raman was interested in science since his childhood. He became a professor of research at the Calcutta University. He took keen interest in the study of light and sound. For his discovery, the Raman effect in physics, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He set up the Raman Research Institute at Bangalore. He inspired many young Indians and scientists for research in science. He was also awarded the highest Indian award, Bharat Ratna, by the Government of India in 1955. J.C. Bose was a physicist and botanist. He invented the crystallograph, an instrument used to measure the growth of plants. He was the first scientist to claim that the plants have soul. They laugh and cry like human beings. They can also recognize their enemies and friends. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha was born in 1909 in Bombay, now Mumbai. He was a great scientist of modern India. Having completed his education in India, he went to the University of Cambridge for higher studies. He obtained his PhD from the Cavendish Laboratories at Cambridge in 1935. Then he joined the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore in 1939. Dr. Bhabha soon realized that India needed a sound atomic program to fulfill its massive need for energy. So, he joined the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, the pioneering institute for research in atomic energy and in basic science. He was mainly responsible for creating the Atomic Research Establishment, which is now named after him, the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. This great scientist is known as the father of the Indian nuclear science. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai was another famous scientist of modern India. He was born on August 12, 1919 in Ahmedabad. He laid the foundation of the Indian space program. In 1962, Sarabhai established the Indian National Committee for Space Research, which was later renamed as the Indian Space Research Organization. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the Missile Man of India. His full name is Abul Pakir Jalaluddin Abdul Kalam. He is a brilliant scientist and he has developed a number of missiles for India. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a Tamil Muslim family in 1931 at Rameshwaram. He began his career as a scientist in 1958 at the Defense Research and Development Organization. He successfully led the development of India's main missile Prithvi and Agni. He was elected as the President of India in the year 2002. Things to remember: the Indian scientists have made an important contribution in the world. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician and astronomer of ancient India. Dr. C.V. Raman got the Nobel Prize of the Raman effect in physics in 1930. J.C. Bose was a physicist and botanist. He is famous for his invention crystallograph. Dr. Homi Jahangir Bhabha was the father of the Indian nuclear science. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai established the India National Committee for Space Research, which later renamed as the ISRO. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was elected the President of India, is known as the Missile Man of India.